Welcome to Landon's Guide to High School Math. I'm Landon, and I'm a sophomore from the U.S. Let's go ahead and get started. We are writing proportional relations in less than 5 minutes. Esther the clown does face paint at the city carnival. She paints 7 faces every 21 minutes and spends the same amount of time painting each face. Write an equation that states F, the number of faces she paints, and M, the time she spends painting in minutes. So what do we know? We have 7 faces for every 21 minutes. So that means we will have 7F, because of the faces, for every 21M. So we want to find what would be equivalent. So that means that we have the relation of F. So when we write F, the amount of faces, we want to know how many we need for M. In this case, it would be 1/3 M. Let me explain. If F is 7 and M is 21, if we plug it in, we do 21 divided by 3. In this case, it's 1/3. So we can even do M over 3. This will make it a lot easier. Because when you're doing 1/3 times a variable, you can just do that variable divided by 3. So the answer here should be F is equal to M over 3. If you got that right, good job. If you didn't, here's the answer explanation. Here are the videos, and I'll help you study. Okay, let's try this one on our own. Okay, so we have 12 pictures, and then we have 180. So, assuming that we plug in 12 and 12 for P and 180 for E, we want to find what would be bigger. So that means we're doing the relationship P for pictures. And then $180, since we're finding E, we want to calculate a fraction, since 12 is less than 180. So I'm going to pull out my calculator here, and we're going to see what we need to get. And it looks like 15, so it would be E over 15. Because if we plug in that, we get 12. So that means we have P is equal to E over 15. So if you got that right, good job. Here's the answer explanation. Here's the videos, and happy studying. So we'll go ahead and end that video off there. If you learned something new, consider dropping a like. I'm Landon, I was your tutor mentor, and I will see you next time. Goodbye.